Yeah, it's 2 o'clock now. Nigga, it's 1:45. Where? Where you been? Where's here? You in the where? I'm gonna head to the Catskills. I'm gonna be sparring Delvin Rodriguez. Team Rodriguez called for Team Gato. Once again, he's gonna win his fight. All the guys have spar, gonna win their fights, and just proud to be called upon. One of the best sparring partners. I feel one of the best sparring partners out in the world. You know what I mean? So I'm not only the best sparring partner, but I'm the best fighter as well. So can't wait to go. I'm happy, and I'm gonna show some skills. I'm very versatile when it comes to boxing. I'm a good boxer, a good body puncher, and I think that Rodriguez will see a lot of fast combinations, a lot of movements, fast combinations, knowing that I get hit to come back with a hit. So I'm happy for that. I'm very happy to showcase my talent. What's going on, guys? You're here at the Stan Hoffman Kerhonkson camp with Team Delvin Rodriguez is sparring with Team Gato. Here we're in the kitchen where all the fighters come. Lucia Rika, James Tony was here, and hundreds of other ones. I just know it's them because I saw the shadow boxer and they were in here. Here's the kitchen. Today we have three fighters here: Ashley Theo Fane, and Tim Scofflin. Anyway, we're here in the kitchen. My section right here. Have my little stuff. Don't touch it. Fruits and nuts, oatmeal, a little adobo light for us Puerto Ricans. We gotta have some of that. Ground cinnamon, Dunkin' Donuts, kitchen, food. Where we eat. Apple cider vinegar, that's mine. Helps lose fats in the muscle in the cells. Now I remember watching the movie with Lucia Rika. She was saying that the guys don't clean dishes and stuff. Oh, it's amazing because they don't do it now. 10 years later, this is still not being clean. So Lucia Rika, I understand what you're saying, Lucia. This is my room. They have to sleep on the floor. Some cat. This litter box. That's where I sleep at the car right there. I just joking. Come on. This is my room. It's clean. As you can see, it's very clean. I got 2 beds. I'm a big boy. The first share fund just gave me, what's it called? Godiva? One of those two. You guys know, understand what I'm talking about. You translate it. This is my room. My radio. Wearing gloves. This is Ashley Theo Fane's room. Should we go in? Yeah, we're gonna go in. Oh, he's so clean. He's from UK. The British guys, they definitely up to par. His shoes is intact and order over here. I know I see me doing this. He's like, yo, he didn't call me, but he's mad cool. It's my dogs. Well, it's my cats. So this is a little section over here, and that's basically the whole house. This is what camp's about: being isolated. Think about everything. Anything you think of, you think about it. The fight, girlfriend, girls, for us guys. Most of guys think about girls. And think about, what we gotta do. And sparring, I gotta start in another half an hour. Delvin's coming from Danbury, Connecticut, so that'd be good. Just stay tuned to the sparring session.
They sent the wrong booze. That's what they did. Old school.
I can't believe it.
Complain about dishes. You guys. You know what I mean? All you heavyweights eat like
big beasts. So yeah, heavyweights. You like
Well, I think you're right. I agree.
Yeah, he's a good boxer. Like I've watched him. Like he's weighing like 160 to 165 now. So I know if he was in shape like 140, you know, he's a good boxer. He looks like, you know, he's one for the future. You know what I mean? You never know in the future. Me and him, you know, we might get it on, but it's all good.
Gato, anybody trying to tell me you ain't tough is a damn liar. Anybody tells me that you're not getting hit with too many punches is also a liar.